In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build sports blogging website in Odoo. We'll be creating a sports blog page inside Odoo and then customizing its appearance so it looks polished and ready for readers. This process is simple and beginner-friendly, especially if you want to publish sports news, match updates, player highlights, or opinion articles on your website. To begin, go to the Odoo home screen. From there, open the website app. This is where you'll manage your site pages, blog content, and overall website design. Once you're inside the website section, click New. Odoo gives you different types of content you can create, and for this setup, you'll choose Blog Post. This is the starting point for building out your sports blogging content. Next, type in your title. Make sure your title clearly reflects the sports topic you want to publish. A strong title helps organize your content and also makes your blog more appealing to visitors when they browse your website. After that, select a blog. This is important because Odoo lets you organize posts under a specific blog category or section. If you plan to publish multiple sports-related articles, choosing the correct blog keeps everything structured and easier to manage later. Once the title and blog selection are in place, click Save. Saving at this stage ensures your new blog post is created properly before you start designing or editing the page further. Now move to the editing area and click Blocks. In Odoo, blocks are pre-built content sections that you can drag and drop onto the page. These make it easy to build a professional-looking layout without coding. You can add sections for banners, text, images, featured content, or other visual elements that fit a sports blogging style. Next, click on the page design so you can edit it using the style options. This is where you fine-tune the appearance of the content already placed on the page. Adjusting the styling helps your site feel more branded, more readable, and more engaging for visitors. After that, click Theme. The theme settings give you access to the overall visual system of the website. From here, you can change important design elements like paragraph styling, headings, buttons, links, input fields, shadow effects, and advanced appearance settings. These options help create a consistent sports website. Look across your pages and blog posts. Take a moment here to choose styles that match the energy of your sports brand. Clear headings, readable text, and strong button styles can make a big difference in the final result. When you're happy with the design, click Save one final time, and that's it. Your sports blogging website page in Odoo is now created and customized, ready for you to continue building and publishing content.